Hello, the chapter that we are going to do is exponents, and we are going to simplify this expression. So here first we will convert the negative exponents to positive exponents. So this 1 by a to the power of minus m will become a to the power of m. So this 5 to the power of minus 7 in the denominator will come to the numerator and will become a positive exponent. So 5 to the power of 7, 6 to the power of 5, and this 3 to the power of 5, and this both will come down, and 125 we can write it as 5 cube. Now we will again convert the 6 as 2 into 3 and 10 as 2 into 5. And then again expand a into b whole to the power of m. We can write it as a to the power of m into b to the power of m. So 2 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 5. And this again 6 we have written as, 10 we have written as 2 into 5 or the whole to the power of 5 as 2 to the power of 5 into 5 to the power of 5. Now 2 to the power of 5 and this will get cut, and 3 to the power of 5 and 3 to the power of 5 will get cut. Now we are left with 5 to the power of 7 into 5 to the power of 3 by 5 to the power of 5. So a to the power of m into a to the power of n, the identity is a to the power of m plus n, and that we are using that. So 7 plus 3, and the denominator again is 5 to the power of 5. So we can write it as, the bases are same, so minus 5. So 7 plus 3, 10, 10 minus 5, 5, 5 to the power of 5. That's the answer. Now coming to this problem, it's given 3 to the power of n plus 3 to the power of n plus 1 by 3 to the power of n plus 1 minus 3 to the power of n. So we will write this as 3 to the power of n plus 3 to the power of n plus 1 can be written as 3 to the power of n into 3 to the power of 1 by 3 to the power of n into 3 to the power of 1 minus 3 to the power of n. A to the power of m plus n can be written as a to the power of m into a to the power of n. So now we have in this term, if you see, 3 to the power of n is common in both the terms. So the distributive property we are using here, 3 to the power of n can be taken out. So what is remaining in this first term? 1. And this 3 to the power of n has been taken out. So what will remain? 3 by, again here 3 to the power of n has been taken out. So 3 will remain, and 3 to the power n has been taken out. So this we can consider it is as 1. So here it will be 1. Now again 3 to the power of n and 3 to the power of n will get cut. So 4, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Now we will simplify this expression. So again we will convert the negative exponent to a positive exponent, which will make our working very easy. So we will write this as 4 by 3 the whole squared into 5 by 2 the whole cube. So we are writing the reciprocal, so the exponent will become positive. So this is equal to 4, again we can write it as 2 squared the whole squared into 5 cube by 3 squared into 2 cube. So this will become 2 to the power of 4 into 5 cube by 3 squared into 2 cube. So this will become 2 to the power of 4 minus 3 into 125 cube will become 125 by 3 into 3, 9. So this 2 cube we have simplified here, 2 to the power of 4 minus 3. So we are left with 9 in the denominator. So this will become 2 to the power of 1, 2 into 125 by 9. So this is equal to 250 by 9. Now simplifying this, again we will convert this negative exponent to positive. So 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 5 the whole squared into minus 8 by 5. To the power of 1, we will not write it as power of 1. So this is enough. So this is 1 by 2 into 5 the whole squared into minus 8 by 5. So this is equal to 5 squared into minus 8 by 2 squared into 5. So 2 squared is 4. 4 and this will get cut and you will get 2. And 5 to the power of 2 minus 1. So we can write it as 5 to the power of 2 minus 1 into minus 2. So this is 5 to the power of 1 into minus 2. This is equal to minus 10. Now coming to this problem, 2 to the power of minus 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of minus 4 into 5 to the power of minus 4. So we can write this as, we will again convert this into positive exponent. So this is equal to minus 2 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 4. So now since all the powers are same, we can write this as minus 2 by 3 into 5 to the power of 4. So this is equal to minus 2 by 15 to the power of 4. So we can also write this as 2 by 15 to the power of 4 because it's the power is even. So the answer that you get is also going to be positive. Now here we will write this as minus 3 the whole cube into 24. We can write it as, if you take, you can write like this, 2, 6, 2 and 3. So we can write this as 2 cube into 3. So 2 cube into 3 the whole cube by 8 cube. So 8 cube, again we can write this as 2 cube the whole cube. So we will write this as minus 3 the whole cube into 2 to the power of 9 into 3 to the power of 3, a to the power of m, the whole to the power of n is a to the power of m into n, by, we will write this as 2 cube the whole cube. So this will become 3 into 3, 9. So this and this will get cancelled. So we are left with minus, we can write this will be, you can write it as minus of 3 cube into 3 cube. So this is equal to minus 3 to the power of 6. So this is equal to minus 729. So you can either leave it as like this or you can simplify and write the value. Now 32, we have to write it in exponent form. So 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5 and 243 can be written as 3 to the power of 5. The whole to the power of minus 4 by 5. So we can write this as 2 to the power of 5 into minus 4 by 5 by 3 to the power of 5 into minus 4 by 5. So the 5 and 5 will get cut. So this will become 2 to the power of minus 4 by 3 to the power of minus 4. So this can be written as 2 by 3 to the power of minus 4. That is equal to 3 by 2 to the power of 4. So this is equal to 81 by 16. I can do this in a different method also. So till here it is fine. Or I will first convert this negative exponent into positive exponent. So I will write this as 243 by 32 to the power of 4 by 5. So this I will write it as 243, 3 to the power of 5 by 2 to the power of 5, the whole to the power of 4 by 5. This also can be written as 3 by 2, the whole to the power of 5, the whole to the power of 4 by 5. So this is equal to 3 by 2 to the power of 5 into 4 by 5. So this is equal to 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So this is equal to 3 by 2 to the power of 4. That is equal to 81 by 16. The same answer we got here. This is a much easier method to do. Now coming to this problem. Again we will write all the numbers into prime factors so that it will be much easier for us to simplify. So 3 to the power of 5 into 10 to the power of 5, I will write it as 2 to the power of 5 into 5 to the power of 5 into 25, I will write it as 5 squared by 5 to the power of 7 into 6, I will write it as 2 into 3 the whole to the power of 5. So that I will write it as 2 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 5. So now I will find out which are the terms that I can cancel. 3 to the power of 5 and 3 to the power of 5 can be cancelled. 2 to the power of 5 and 2 to the power of 5 can be cancelled. And 5 to the power of 5. So this will become 5 to the power of 5 plus 2. Then minus 7. So this is equal to 5 to the power of 7 minus 7. So 5 to the power of 0. That is equal to 1.